Alright, so it already comes with your pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, also your pre-plucked hairline. Doesn't have any combs at the top, no combs on the side. You do get your no slip band. You also get a comb in the nape area, and you also get your drawstring in the nape area. Parting space looks like. The knots on this are bleached very, very well. Also, the lace does not look too light. I'll probably go off of camera and just add a little bit of tint spray, but do I feel like it's necessarily needed? Like, look at that. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna have to do anything. Let's go ahead and try this unit on before I do anything else. So this is what it is looking like on before I do anything to it. I went ahead and adjusted the no slip band, so it is fitting me very snug on my head. You guys also seen that I did pull the drawstring, and actually this cap is not too big at all. Y'all know I be complaining about the cap in the back, but this one is fitted pretty good. Is it like just a little bit wrong? Yeah, but not as much as I usually have with other caps. The curls are looking good. It is 20 inches in length like I told you all, but because of the curls, it does look shorter. But if you pull it, it does come all the way down here. I do like the finger coils at the end. I can already tell it's gonna look really good once I fluff everything out. That is the parting space area. And then of course you can part it on the side if you are not a fan of the middle part. And then these little bangs in the front are super cute. I'm probably going to like twirl them around my finger just to kind of define them a little bit more. I did go in with just a very small amount of tint spray in the front. It probably wasn't needed, but I like to just be extra. But the lace is blended down very well to my skin. You can't really even see where it starts at. So they did a very good job. But enough of the chit chat, and these bangs are in my way. Let's go ahead and get started on styling this unit, and then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final look and also to tell you my final thoughts when it comes to this curly bang wig. Where I really wanted to be ready to wear, and this one is pretty much doing that. You don't really have to do too much to this unit. Now to install this today, I used a little bit of my Got To Be spray right in the front area. I do not have any spray on the side. I also added a bobby pin on each side just to kind of pin it down, be a little bit more secure, even though I don't feel like this wig is going to go anywhere. I'm always worried that my sides are going to flap up, but it is secure and in place. A little bit of water to the hair, and then I also went in with my Tresemme bouncy curls. I didn't want to go in with mousse because I didn't want to wet the hair too much because it is already pre-styled. So I feel like this is a little bit thicker and it doesn't require a lot when it's time to dry down. So I end up diffusing the hair and I focus in the front area. I use a little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum to fluff out the hair, and then I picked out the coils a little bit, but I didn't pick them out too much where you weren't going to be able to notice them. So they look really good. Now keep in mind, I am styling this straight out of the box, so when you wash it, the coils are going to disappear, but it's going to be very easy for you to finger coil the bottom back. I just think it looks very, very pretty straight out of the package. I added a little bit of powder into the parting space. I think they did a great job with bleaching those knots. It looks very realistic. The powder just helps to open it up a little bit more, but if you don't want to add powder, you definitely don't have to. And yeah, the curls just look very good. The top of this is not too heavy in density, and when I turn around, the density on it at the bottom especially is really good. So if you wanted to put this into a low ponytail, you could. Now during the styling process, I received just a very small amount of shedding, but keep in mind, I didn't run my fingers through it all the way. And then tangles, not happening now. Will it happen because of the curls? Yes. You're not gonna get away with not having any snags when it comes to curly hair, but at the moment I'm not experiencing any because I haven't been wearing this out all day. I do like how it's laying down really flat back here. You do not want that piece of cap showing right here and on the side. Always use a headband, or you can just pull out a little bit of hairs right here to kind of conceal and leave a little bit of hairs out in the nape area. But I do like how it's laying flat and it's not buckling or anything, and the cap, like I said, is not too big on my head. What the hairline on this is looking like, because of the way that the curls are supposed to fall more in your face, especially with the bang, I wasn't worried about the hairline. If the hairline was going to show more, I probably would have went in and just plucked it out a little bit more, but for out of the box, I feel like it's fine. It's not really a big deal. The bang area, this bang area is cute. If you want to pull the bangs apart a little bit more, you could. If you wanted to cut down just a little bit more right here to kind of have it like layer a little bit, you could. But for the most part, this hair is very pretty. It is, to me, more on the darker side. I don't mind. It's lightweight, even though it has a good amount of density. And I just like how I didn't really have to do too much. This was very quick and easy for me. And I'm still impressed by this cap, y'all, because y'all know how I be fussing about a big cap on my head, especially with the no slip band. But let me know what you guys think about this. Are you feeling the hair all the way down, or are you loving this updo? I think the updo is super cute, especially for these hot months. Get it up off your neck and it's still going to look good, and the bang area makes it look a little bit more nice and elegant. If you are feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications